Welcome to the room tour at the signature MGM Grand. This is a one-bedroom suite with a full living room and a kitchenette that we'll visit in a moment. Television. The view with the balcony overseeing the airport. Top Golf. And the MGM pool. The MGM Grand. Spacious dining room table. The first restroom that they have with full shower and toiletries. Two bar seat area, functioning kitchen with a coffee maker, toaster and stove to utilize with a dishwasher, built-in refrigerator and freezer, a microwave to utilize for your meals. Entering the bedroom, television with a desk area to work at. Queen size bed, a working radio and alarm clock. The master bathroom with a full bathtub, standing shower, a vanity with dual sinks, the restroom with a phone line to go ahead and make calls out of need. The closet with a built-in safe and drawers, additional blankets and pillows, the iron board, and a few coat hangers. Ultimately, a beautiful suite worthy of your next Las Vegas stay.